There we go. Oh my gosh, that's a monster. Guys, this might be the biggest gar I've ever caught on the end of my line right now. Come on, buddy, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Come on, I gotta see you. Look at the size of that fish. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that fish. What is going on, guys? So today I'm fishing a canal that I know has a lot of big gar. I've caught a lot of big gar in here in the past, but we're trying a new spot. It's further down the canal. And I've seen that catch 'em all fishing has caught a few in here that were like 6, 7 foot. So we have a good chance of catching a big one. And I'm gonna be using tiny 1/0 hooks, live bait hooks with 300-pound braid as my leader. I've never had a gar bite through the braid, and I rarely lose gar on the 1/0 hook. So let's see if we can catch a giant. Oh, I just saw a mullet, dude. That's money. All right, guys, we got one on here. I think he's still on. Did he drop it? Don't tell me he dropped it. Nah, he's still on there. Let's go. We got one on here, bro. Here we go, guys. We got one on here, too. There we go. There we go. Oh, he came off. All right. Let's get this one. All right, yeah, there's a fish on here, guys. He's right in front of me. I'm gonna go ahead and set it. There we go. Oh my gosh, that's a monster. That's a monster, guys. That's a monster. That is a freaking monster. That is a monster. Oh my goodness. That's a really big fish, guys. This might be my biggest gar of the year. Oh my gosh, I can really move him. There he goes. Oh yeah, that's a big boy. Guys, this might be the biggest gar I've ever caught on the end of my line right now. Oh my gosh. This might be my biggest gar. Scratch that, this is. Oh my word. I'm at this spot where Catch 'em All Fishing has done a few of his videos and caught some big fish. I fished this canal a bunch, but I never thought to try this spot. Guys, this might be a 7-foot fish. Oh my gosh, dude. I can't move him. Gosh, dude, this is a big freaking gar. The other one was big too that I lost. I gotta see this thing. He's coming to me, he's coming to me. He's probably gonna go crazy once he gets close. I wanna see him so bad, I can't get him up though. Oh my gosh. That's a 6-foot fish. That's all of 6 feet. Oh my word, man. That's all 6 feet. There he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Let's see him. Come on, buddy, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Come on, I gotta see you. Evan, look at the size of that fish. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that fish. Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh, I gotta see the rope. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. right, he's starting to get tired, guys. Look at that freaking monster. Oh my word. Yeah, that works. Hold on, I gotta get a picture of this thing just in case. Oh, my iPhone's disabled for 10 minutes. Here. That is a monster fish. Guys, this fish was caught on a 1/0 Gamakatsu live bait hook, and Braid is my leader. There's no need for treble hooks and wire. Absolutely no need. It's more expensive, it's more to deal with, and it kills the fish. Dude, look at the head on that thing. I'll probably have to get in the water. This is going to be back and forth a couple times probably, guys. They really don't like it when you get close to them. Come on, don't hit that pipe. Don't hit the pipe. I have to go on the other side. There's a bicycle right here. That's the second bike I've encountered here in this canal. There we go, guys. There we go. Oh gosh, just leave it. I might need help. This is probably a 200-pound fish, dude. I don't know if I can get this up here on my own. Can you take the rod? Here. I can't do it, bro. It's too heavy.
Give me the rope?
Yeah, you grab the rope, I'll grab the fish. Here. All right, go. Go. Pull hard. Really hard. Go. Keep going. A flip-flop stuck. Damn it, hold up. I got it. Go. 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 Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Keep going. Keep going. I'm trying my hardest. All right. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Listen to all that work.
Holy shit. Look at that fish, dude. Holy shit. Look at that fish. Is that real? All right, guys. Look at this absolute freaking monster of a gar. We're gonna let him go, let him get bigger. Hopefully he's swimming these canals for decades to come. So we're gonna get him out here and catch some more fish. Oh yeah, he knows where he's going. No, don't leave me yet. No. Oh my gosh, bro. That was wild. I'm just gonna set the hook on this one. I'm not even gonna let him take it. Here we go. There we go. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Is that a catfish? That's a catfish again. What the heck? Big old catfish. It's so bizarre. Look at that. Cat. Holy sh**. That's a big freaking catfish. Look at the size of that freaking blue cat. This fish has probably been in this canal for years and years and years. So we're gonna let him go. Hopefully we'll see him another day. Oh, all right, buddy. All right, you guys, that concludes this video. Absolutely unreal day of fishing. Broke 2 PBs, alligator gar and blue catfish. So awesome day. I mean, really, this was probably the best day of fishing I've had all year. And I mean, we left seeing probably 30 to 40 gar that were about 6 feet, maybe bigger, closer to 7. We saw a couple earlier that were definitely bigger than the one I caught. So we're probably gonna be coming back here hopefully before it's cold. Got school coming up, work, all that stuff. So hopefully see y'all soon, and thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next fishing video.